Hi, my name's John Howes. I'm the workshop coordinator for Cardiff Cycle Workshop, and I just want to give you a bit of a tour of our building. So here we go. Okay, so this is the office. Not a lot to see in there. We're going to go straight up the stairs to our breakout room and training centre. So here we've got our breakout area that we use for staff, volunteers and trainees. Nice map on the wall, bit of a library, notice board. And here we are, we're going to move straight through to the training room where we've got Velotech Gold course in practice. Everybody's busy truing wheels. Here we are then into the recycling workshop where we've got stores of recycled bikes and recycled parts. Lots of storage. And then we can then see directly into the main body of the workshop. I'll take you downstairs now. Here we go. So over here is stores of bikes that have been recycled. So they're waiting to be sold at our next Friday sale. And over here we have Nick, who's busy doing a repair for a customer. More recycled bikes, parts washer. And over here we have Chris and Bill and Maz, who are busy recycling bikes today. Industry is occurring, yeah. Thank you, Maz. Okay, so that was a whistle-stop tour of Cardiff Cycle Workshop. I hope you enjoyed it.